my dear crafters, one more video tutorial for you as part of my craft fair series 2022. Make sure to check the other videos below, okay? I have a lot of videos. They're easy to make, quick and perfect for gifting and for your craft fairs. So this one today is so easy you won't believe. These are nail file holders. You are going to make like, I don't know, 30, 50 a day if you want. And it's really eye-catching. But again, I always say this on my channel, make sure that you use the most beautiful paper you have because it's all it takes really because we don't have a lot of very sophisticated things. It's just paper and embellishment, so ephemera, some I use some stickers too. I'm sure you've seen some of these on in my videos, my hauls that I had before showing you all the products. This is something that I got at the dollar store, so you can get two nail files for $1.25. So very easy to make. So let's move to the tutorial. All you need for this is three pieces of paper, some ribbon and glue. And that's it. And something to embellish it. And I'll show you what I use for this one. So we have basically three pieces of papers. This one here on the left, the green one, is 1 3/4 of an inch by 11 and a half. So you're going to need a 12 by 12 piece of paper for that, okay? And if you can, use cardstock because you want it to be sturdy. And you're going to score at 3 1/4. That's all the scoring you have for this project. The little ones here, they have the same width. So you see how beautiful this paper is. I wanted to use my foil paper for this. It's the same width, which is 1 3/4. Don't worry, all the measurements will be below in the description. So both of them is 1 3/4. The small one is 3 1/8 of an inch, and the large one is 5 1/2. Okay, that's all you need. And now all we're going to do is we're going to glue. I already have two strips of double-sided tape. You might have seen it to glue the long one. But before you do that, we're going to glue the top part. See there? I already have that. So I think it's stronger than any other kind of glue, but you use whatever kind you have. I just like to use double-sided tape. So for the top, all you need to do is to glue the longer one. Again, 1 3/4 by 5 1/2. You're going to glue that to the top and make sure that the top, let me show you here, it goes all the way to the top right there. See? Because you're going to cut the top and you want to make sure that it looks right. So there you are. You just have a very thin kind of frame on the sides. That's why it's a little bit thinner than the green one. But now that's all you need to do. Now what you're going to do is glue the bottom part. Very easy. As I told you, I really made an effort to bring some very easy items for you for your craft fair to make sure that you're successful and you sell everything. Look at that. That's why I say it all depends on the paper you have, guys. Look at that. It's beautiful because the paper is beautiful. So use the best you have, okay? And that's that. We're practically done here. All we need to do now is just glue the bottom part, and that's where the file is going to be inserted. So you just peel it off and glue. There you are. This one I think was 1/4 of an inch, the width, okay? Just so you know in case you're wondering. It's either 1/4 or 1/8 of an inch. But you want to make sure that there is enough space for the file. So don't put a lot of double-sided tape there that will not leave space for the file. So just burnish to make sure that it's very strong. I just use my bone folder to make sure that I have space, and that is it. We're practically done. The next thing we're going to do is just embellish the top. You don't have to do this because maybe you don't have any kind of punches. I have two kinds of punches that I'm sure you've seen this on my channel, but it just makes it look much nicer. See those two types, different ones. I'll have the link below to one of them because you can find it on this one. You can find it online, and you can use it for three different widths. So I think it's perfect. I use it all the time. It's one of the items that is always on my table because I use it for tags. I use it for bookmarks, and I use for this kind of for even for some boxes I use that, and for this kind of project as well. So all you need to do is just punch the top and you're done. The next thing you're gonna do, I just make sure that it's well aligned. There, it does make a difference, doesn't it? So I already have a little piece of ribbon here, and I wanted it, of course, to be gold so that it matches the paper. And we're done. Now next thing we're gonna do is just check to see if the nail file. I tried to find some Christmassy nail files like red and green and even gold, but I couldn't find any gold. But the ones that I found was good enough. Make sure to trim the end of your ribbon, and that's it. We're done. Oh, no, we're not. I cut some embellishments in gold because I really wanted the gold to pop. I already had a lot of foiling there, and I have this little tiny bird that also has some gold foiling, and I already added some double-sided tape there because it's strong. So there you are. Look how cute. I love that bird. And there you are. It's very pretty. It's going to stand out because, again, the paper is very pretty. It's going to stand out, and it's one of those items that is very affordable. You won't sell it for, I don't know how much I'm going to charge, but I'm thinking something along, I don't know, $2.50, $3, even maybe even more. I don't know. But there you are. Look how pretty that is. Well, I think we're done here. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Here's some more for you to get some more ideas on how to embellish your nail files. A very simple item, but a beautiful product for your craft fair and for your stockings. Thank you so much, guys, for being here with me today. I will see you in my next video. Okay, I hope you enjoy my series. Thank you. Have a great day.